What is chalk paint and why should you use it? Chalk paint is a great choice for giving furniture and home decor vintage, rustic and shabby look. But if you're after a modern and updated look, chalk paint is a great choice too. Are you ready to give your dresser, chairs or kitchen cabinets the chalk paint treatment? Here is everything you need to know. Chalk paint is designed to stick to surfaces without sanding and priming. Chalk paint is decorative paint with chalky matte appearance. Besides being VOC-free, chalk paint is water-based, so you can clean your brushes with soap and water rather than having to use mineral spirits. Chalk paint is most often used for furniture, but it can be used to paint an entire wall. It has the power to turn an ordinary dresser into a statement piece or give a dining table vintage charm. Chalk paint is quick to dry, often needing only 1 hour in between coats. Use your technique of choice to get layer, blended, distressed, or smooth finish. For this series, you will need just a few items to get you through most of the techniques you will need. 2 colors of your choice, a brush for paint and a brush for wax, and some clear wax. There is many more products available, and we will cover them in this workshop. But with 2 colors, some wax, and a brush, you can pretty much learn everything you will need to know. Dixie Belle has sponsored this series, and we will be using their products for this workshop. What I love about their products is how they can interact with each other. You can pretty much use them in any combination, which is unheard of for any other company. Also, you can find retailers or you can order online. For this workshop, I suggest getting some trim board. I like it the best because it has details we can practice with. If you don't have any, a regular board will work also. With 2 colors, a brush, wax, and some boards, you will be able to learn the most important techniques you will need to chalk paint like a pro. These workshops are intended to teach you all the chalk paint techniques you will need to paint furniture from your own home.